back to Mike's Double Edge. Today we are going to do Luna by Elysian. Never tried this before, but we're going to give it a shot. It's already, this stuff made a lot, and it made a lot quickly. I only needed 1/4 teaspoon and then maybe 3 dips of water, and that was it. This stuff is like ready to go. So, and I'm using Rockwell C6 and a Filoso blade. First time trying it. We'll see how that is. So let's wet the face and get started. Alright, I'm now nice and soaked. So here we go. Ooh. Yes, this stuff smells good too. It's almost like a aquatic scent. Probably is, but I'm still getting used to all these scents and trying to identify them. Stuff feels good. It doesn't feel as velvety as some of the other stuff. I do believe, yes, it is. It does have shea butter, coconut oil, and grass-fed beef tallow. So it's not getting as thick and pillowy as some of the others, but we'll see how well it performs. Especially in slickness. I don't need half of that at my nose. How are you all doing today? I hope pretty good. Alright. Leave that right there for now. I still have a ton in the bowl if I need to. Need more. Alright. Here we go. Feels slick. Oh, I am on setting 4 too, because I have like a few days growth. It's got some slickness. Blade feels good, soap feels good. Alright. Feels really good. Let's do the second pass. I'm not going to wipe off right now. I'm going to try and keep the what's left of the slickness on and then add to it. So we'll see if that helps. Okay. Ah. It's a little thinner than I like, but it feels slick, so it's really all that matters. There we go. A little better. Starting to feel a little bit more velvety now. Okay. That brush is starting to loosen up a bit better. It used to kind of struggle splaying out, but now it's doing a lot better. So here we go across the grain. Oh yeah. Boop. Nice and slick. Yeah, I like this stuff. Feels really good. Wow, must have missed a bunch. Still very, very slick. It's the slickest I felt yet. But maybe I did something right this time. I know I really wet the crap out of my face. I think that's good enough for now. That is very slick. I like that a lot. It smells great. All right, let's get rinsed off here. Yeah. Minimal irritation. So I'm trying something, guys. I am trying to see if I get more or less irritated with tallow soap over the vegan soap. Sorry, I smell something that smells hot besides me. And so far, I'm getting less irritated with the tallow soap. But, yeah, I got myself a little bit right there, but I was also a little rougher. We'll see if that holds out. I do want to get more tallow soap, tallow-based soap, but yeah, that's felt really good. So let's see what we got here. Let's get the Thayers. I'm going to need that. What about this stuff? Could definitely use that. And we'll go with some Nivea. Do some Thayers first. There's that cucumber. Put a little more on. I'm not doing any third pass stuff today. Okay. Then we're going fuzzy face for the aftershave. So I'll be getting more witch hazel. That's fine. Come out, wherever you are. that bad of a bone. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Maybe a minute. Regular, not the cool. Ooh, yes. So I did get irritated still, but not bad. Not as bad. When I used Cajun blade soap, I hardly got irritated. So, which was nice for once. So I think that's it for the night, guys. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Before we go, let's see how much lather is left in the brush. That much. It's a small brush, so it doesn't hold a whole lot, but it's probably good for another pass. So I did like that blade. I don't know if it's my favorite yet, but I did like the blade, especially once, it hit a slick spot. I didn't feel it. A few more uses like I have with some of the others, and I'll see if it's one of my favorites, but I do like it. So, like I said, if you've watched all the way through, thank you. Really appreciate it. Have a good night, day, whatever it is, and I'll see you next shave. Bye.